Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Muscle memory time. All right, and we're going to do a little bit exercise that you say, hey, wait, I know this. Yes, you do know it because we did it about a week or 2 weeks ago, whatever it was. But we're going to change the way the fingering comes out. The way we showed you at the beginning was 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, shift. Shift. Okay, remember that? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the same notes sort of, but instead of starting on 3, 1, you're going to start 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. See what's happening here? We shifted with the third finger, shift with the first. Okay, let me start that again. Here, we're going to start on the first fret to third fret. Let's do it again. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Shift first finger. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Shift with the third finger. Okay, one more time, nice and slow. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and we shifted with the third finger. That's a little something you do, once you get comfortable with it while you're watching television. All right. Earlier in the sequence, I think I made a mistake. All right. I shifted with the wrong finger. All right. I leave my mistakes in because that's the way it is. I'm human and it does happen. All right. So again, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, shift, 1, 3, 1. All right, have some fun with that. Get that coordination in. And if you don't feel like watching television when you're doing that, by all means, make sure you do it with the metronome. Let's get that coordination happening. And before you know it, we're going to be having our fingers working along. All right? That's it for this one on the muscle memory. Okay? Any questions, your comments below, please. Okay? If you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and enjoy your day.